Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to disable recommended videos on YouTube. So first of all, go ahead to your app store, Google Play, and make sure that your YouTube, as you can see, is currently updating. So basically, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go back to my screen, go ahead to your browser, and basically, if you want to turn off the recommended videos, go to the recommended video that you would like to remove, tap more next to the video title, and then tap not interested, and basically you can clear the YouTube recommendations by going to your settings, history, and privacy to delete all or some of your activity to reset your recommendations basically. And then on your desktop, go to your data in YouTube, manage your YouTube history, delete, and once you've deleted your history, don't forget to pause your watching and search history. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.